So one thing I wanted to do as a bit of a side project is to do a custom intake, and that would then require preferably a MAF sensor flange. And so I got this one from I think Creation Motorsports on eBay. It's called AL, I guess for aluminum, AL0133, and looks to be cast. It's quite thick, it's quite deep, and yeah, you see that here. And but the main issue with it is the holes here for the screws. They're not threaded. They're very wide, and as you can see, if you insert the screw, it's quite loose, and you actually have to use a nut on the intake side, which of course is very risky. So I got this guy instead. It looks to be CNC machined. It has some curvature to it there, so you could actually put that quite nicely on a, let's say, a 70 millimeter pipe. And moreover, as you can probably see here, the holes are threaded. They still go all the way through, so you would run some chance of leakage here, but with some thread sealer, it should be okay. So much better solution. Uh, this little guy is made in China, like everything else nowadays, but it definitely looks a lot better than the flange from Creation Motorsports. So I just wanted to share that in case you're entertaining the idea of building your own intake.